I want to talk quickly about ups from walk-in traffic, because the up comes before we ever even get onto the road to the sale. I guess you could say that it's an on-ramp. These days, many customers are coming from internet leads, and a greater and greater percentage of deals are coming from appointments that were set from these leads. But we still have, and will always have, a considerable number of walk-ons or walk-ins. So it's vital that we're watching the lot for customers in need of help and greeting customers that are coming into the store. There is no need to have multiple sales reps wasting valuable time outside, hanging out, waiting for customers to drive on the lot, when they could be spending their time calling, emailing, and otherwise following up on their leads and unsold customers. Of course, this is an extreme, but the reality is that when you have several sales reps standing in front of the dealership, it intimidates or could intimidate many would-be customers, keeping them from coming in. Of course, you don't want multiple sales reps trying to beat each other to a customer. And we definitely don't want customers to be too intimidated to get out of their cars. Many people don't want to be approached by a salesperson. So seeing 5 or 6 salespeople that are just waiting for them to get out of their car may be enough to keep them from stopping. That's lost opportunities, lost deals, lost sales, lost gross. Now, on the flip side of that, we need to make sure that someone is always watching the lot and the doors to greet customers. If you've ever gone into a restaurant and after 5 minutes no host came to greet you, you might have just left. I know I have. I've heard voicemails from customers complaining that they came into the store, no one greeted them, so they left. This really happens. Or a customer walks into a manager's office and asks if there's anyone that can help them look at a car. Sounds ridiculous, but I've seen it many times. Or the customer is outside looking at cars on the lot and then leaves without having been approached by anyone because no one noticed they were there. That's lost opportunities, lost deals, lost sales, lost gross. SalesLeader solves this issue with our up rotation system, making sure that someone is always up and on point to greet all customers, and making sure that all but one of those sales reps are back inside at their computers following up on leads and customers. When sales reps are coming in each morning, they join the up rotation. Whoever joins first is up first. An up session lasts for 1 hour until the sales rep catches an up or otherwise has a customer in the showroom. When a sales rep is up, they receive a notification on their phone and on their computer. The next in line is on deck, and they'll receive a notification on their phone when they are up and on their computer letting them know that they're on deck. And this continues through the rotation throughout the day. All sales reps can be on the same team. Or you might have 2 or more teams with 2 or more people who are up at the same time. And if a sales rep who is up either catches an up or they have a customer come in, they can end their up session, which will put them back at the bottom of the rotation. Managers can also end up sessions. And of course, they can leave the rotation altogether if they're going home or something. Up rotations automatically reset every night for those who forget to leave the rotation. Everyone can see who is up, who is on deck, and where they are in the rotation. A fair distribution of ups, but of course, you can decide which sales reps, if any, should not be able to participate. And of course, we have to inspect what we expect, and that's why we have an up rotation report. This report lets you see today, or month to date, or last month, or any specific time period. And then I want to know, when that salesperson gets an up, do they sell those customers? Coupled with the sales by visit type report, we can really get a good picture of who is doing what and how well they're doing it. We can look at the whole store or a team or individual sales reps and for whatever time period. There are several companies that offer a dealer electronic up system. However, SalesLeader is the only one that is tied into the entire sales process.